up your mobile phone. Going. That's fine because it's like they can signal the frequency. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We are
No, we're
in
not allowed to do it.
a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Look at that. Very big. You can talk to the alien with it.
Oh, it can go.
Going inside, huh?
It can go flat.
You cannot go like that.
You miss your school trip here, Bunso. That's why
For you.
you can go today.
His classmate has been here.
There's some, I don't know.
You got lots of visitors na pala. You can find some nice area. Tayo kakain dyan. Alam ko pwedeng mag-camping-campingan. Ganun, putol-putol mo lang. Hare! Ayun, may Jodel Bank. Biggest like a radar. Just go inside and have a look. You're gonna see the planetary. Hi. Hi. Text mo naman si Lovie Jackson. Ha?
I'm gonna go to the park later.
Which park?
I don't wanna go up.
Ayan. Pull it. There you go. Booking. Sa Jodel Bank. Sa radar. Ito aeroplano. Ayan na, we're inside of Jodel Bank para assembly point. Yan, ito. You can eat here. Bring your own baon. Yan. You're gonna eat in here later. Yung dalawa, naghahanap ng Easter egg. Yan. Looking for Easter egg. Yan. Daming puno dito. Loads of trees. Loads of birds. Ha? Cafe and toilet. Ito is a bunker. Ayun na. Like a doomsday bunker. Ayan. Ganda. Yung dalawa yan. Punta dito sa cafe, toilet. Look. It's typhoon proof. Let's go inside. Cafe and toilets. So mga toilet dyan. Want to go to the loo? Here you go. There you go. It's like a bomb proof. Bomb proof. Hey, cafe. Where are you going?
1 o'clock dito.
Huh?
1 o'clock.
Ano yung activities?
Showdown.
Show dome. Yeah, space dome. Let's go outside again. This is show dome. 1 o'clock. Yan. Let's play area. Yan. So, ha? Ganda nito. Typhoon proof, bomb proof. Alam basketball. Yan. No power. Ito may play area dito. Ito mayroon ditong big oak tree. Yan. Ito yung another entrance. Like a dome. So I think that's only for toddlers. Ito yung cafe nila. Yan, cafe. Gusto mo magkape dyan. Ng kape. Hindi tayo nakapagdala ng kape. Mainit na kape. Ano? Yan, magkakape ka dyan. Yan. Yeah. Play muna siya doon for a bit. Yan. Yan. For the kids. Now we're going to that big disc. Grader yan. Like a bunker. Like cafe and toilets. Jodel Bank at work. What's up? Pag-intro ka na. Hari. Hoy. Hello. Good morning mga idol. Nandito po tayo sa Jodel Bank. Ayun pala, pipicture. National Network.
Where's the fences? No.
Maybe when there's school trip, they're using that.
Mama, help me find it.
Later on, you need to walk around.
That's a radar. This is a telescope. This one's a telescope. That one's a radar. Yeah. Oh, it's finished. I'm glad I wasn't here when my class went on the school trip. I don't know. Behind you. I'm gonna go look for more Easter eggs.
Hello. Oh, say something. I can hear you loud and clear. Hi.
Hello, hello.
Hello. This is magical place. I can hear you. Hello, mga idol. Let's go to the Hague. It's time to get in the Hague. Gonna kidnap him and bring him to the Philippines. Ah, gusto mo ito? One.
Moving.
Parang may Ferrari dyan. Say Jobel telescope. Just telescope this one. You can see the Russians far away. The Sputnik Russians. You can monitor the spacecraft going to the moon. That's how powerful it is. Ano kaya ito mga parang may chatter dito. And then another radar there. Ano yan?
Radio telescopes. Using radio telescopes, we can see the fading glow of the Big Bang. This is known as the cosmic microwave background. They're all just like the other see. Oh wow.
Ayan.
Daddy, what if one of the Easter eggs are dead?
Find it.
How much cereal you can fit in that?
0.5 na para.
Yan. Jodel bank. Oop. Big telescope. It's a Jobel telescope. You can see to the space. You can monitor alien from above. Ay, Yonggi naka lollipop. Yan. Yan pa, may radar doon.
Just imagine how much
Small.
cereal you can fit in that.
See?
What?
It's so big. Very
Just
big
imagine-
disc.
Imagine how much cereal you can fit in that.
Radio and astronomy at Jodel Bank. challenge. Hey, dyan lang.
Yeah, he's going in the hand. It comes out.
Yes, because electricity comes out of that ball. Look, you can do a little finger, sense it. Then the electricity goes into you, like this, through here, down to the floor.
So,
You're earthing it, it's called earthing.
Aha, touch mo. Your finger. Hurry. Touch me. Touch it. Oh, I got the power. The power is on my hand. Look, like a thunder. Galing ah.
This was the planet
Like a thunder.
This was the planet
Ah, put your hand in there. Ito sa kabila. Lagyan mo yung hand mo sa kabila. Pag ganun. Yan, yan. Galing ah. Oh, yan, ang galing ah. Hey, telescope working as one. Oh. And this is what can you see. I'm gonna press this button. Let's see what's gonna happen. The rockets. Cool. Black hole. Film pod. Oh, look at this tree. I don't know what kind of tree it is. Maybe it's like a cherry or something. Oh, look at inside. Ayan. Oh, see? Lamig sa ilalim. Dito matulog din sa ilalim. Ayan o. Galing ah. Ayan. Kahingahan yung ilalim nito. Sarap. Lagyan ng upuan. Ayan sila. Ayan ang Jordan Bank. Sarap sa ilalim nito. Lamig. Let's see. Yeah, it's like a universe. Oh, sorry. Camera. Space. Ayan. Is it going? Still going. Let's see. Shop yan ah, shop. Wala pa lang. Si Bonsa naghahanap ng leg. Ayan ah. Tay yan, tay. Di pala naglagaman Tomas, ano? Mantumas. Ay. Kalimutan yung Mantumas. Dito. Kahit tayo dito. Let's go mga idol. Let's eat. Here's, what's this? Like a dome. Yeah, Jordan Bank. Finish now. Oh, that's my eye. Yeah, nice now. Finish. Apollo 11 is finished. It's a good experience. How did you enjoy the experience? Huh? Yeah, is it good? You learn something? Yeah?
Don't go to space because you might die. That's for going.
Yeah. Been to the space dome. Home. Going home.
No.
Stay for a bit and then going home.
What?
Stay for a bit and we're going home. Oh, so bright. So bright in the bunkers now. Out of the bunkers. Back to the player. Any space dome. Ayan, bunkers. It's like a bunker. Coffee shop, toilet area. Pahinga time. Rest. And then we're going home for a bit. Ayun yung Jobel telescope. So leave the frogs alone. Where's the frog? I see some rabbits there and a duck. See? There's the rabbits there, look. Where there? The ducks. Duck bunny. Now you can see it there. Yeah, there's a rabbit there. Near to the bench. Yan, daming ibon. Yan, daming bird nest. Yan. Okay, let's go.
We're going to go home now. See you later.
See you. See you, Doc. Docky. Leave the frogs alone. There you go. Time to go home, guys. It's time to go home. He misses his friend now who can play outside. Go to the park. Time to go. Bye-bye, Jodrell Bank.
And this is not sponsored by Jojo.
Ayun, cherry blossom. Welcome to Japan. Ay, cherry blossom yan. Japanese sakura. Japan naman. Bye-bye, guys.
See you
See
in
you
a couple
going
months.
home. Bye-bye. We love you.